So what the process is, how we do the process. So first is we establish the trends with the help of previous year data. So why do we need to establish the trends? What is the meaning of trend? Huh? Flow?
Like where the market is heading.
Yeah, so basically you want to see the trend. Is it we are growing or we are dropping? How much is we used to see in the financial analysis, what is the cost of sale as a percentage of revenue over a period of time? So you want to see what is the trend, where we are heading towards, so that when you make a forecast in the future, okay, we're gonna do a business for let's say $10,000. Now we are doing $5,000 and we are paying 50% cost. If we do a business of $10,000 next year, what will be the cost? 50% of 10,000, that becomes 5,000 cost, right? So easy to estimate the cost now, because you already understand the trends. So you need to establish the trends with the help of ratios. We learned quite a lot of ratios, right? Yes. Operational return profitability ratios, your expense ratios, your balance sheet ratios, return ratios. So we need to understand those ratios, growth or declining pattern month over month, how our data is declining, how our business is performing month over month. Every month is different. Some businesses are not seasonal, some businesses are seasonal, right? Hospitality, tourism business are seasonal. If there's raining, we don't have any business. But if I do the same occupancy percentage every month, that is wrong, correct? Because we know it's not going to happen. So what we do is we plan, okay, we know that in low season we don't have much of occupancy or much of business. So how we gonna get this, how we gonna shortfall this one in high season? Where we gonna get the business from? And how much we can get realistically? Same goes for any kind of business. Some business are affected by seasonality, some business are not affected by seasonality. But there are always factors which affects the growth. For example, now Black Friday, right? A lot of people are doing their Black Friday sales. Your emails will be full of Thanksgiving and Black Friday discounts. So business will grow, spikes on this month of November, correct? So when you are doing your operational budgets, you are not doing budgeting for 1 month, 1 year as a consolidated basis. You are doing it month by month, so that you can factor in the special events. And special events not only in your country or in your location, all around the world, especially if your business is global. I am selling my courses online, so it doesn't mean that where I am setting is gonna impact all over the world. Sometimes you have Thanksgiving, sometimes you have New Year, sometimes you have Diwali, sometimes you may have other Chinese New Year. So people will do different kind of promotions to attract the business, correct? To acquire new customers. So you can do many, even for hospitality business. We run the promotion in China also for Chinese New Year. We do the promotion in India also for Holi. We do in Singapore for Singapore school holidays. We do in Malaysia also. We do Thailand also. Because people from different countries will prefer to travel at different point of time. So we try to see where we can get the customers for each different month. So same case goes for our business. We need to understand what are the demand generators for our business, how we create a demand. So that means we can plan the activities ahead of time. So you cannot just go ahead and do the marketing short minute, right? Just realize, oh, next month is Thanksgiving Day, let's do a promotion now. Too late. You need to plan ahead. If Thanksgiving is in the end of November, when you need to start the promotion? Maybe a 15 days ahead, maybe a month ahead, right? So you need to, then it will help you to understand the trends. The trends will help you to understand when you should start marketing. And seasonality. So what do we do with this? We establish the relationship between the events that has happened in the past. How does these particular events help us? If your business has no impact from the Black Friday sales, so you don't need to actually worry about Black Friday sale anymore. You don't even need to go to the promotion for that particular day, right? Otherwise you are wasting your money. So if you don't understand this, let's say you don't have any trend, and you just think I want to spend on the Black Friday because good, everybody is doing that. So you're going to waste your money, right? So you need to establish the relationship between the events and how your business grows together. Okay, and then the customer acquisition rates, you need to make growth rates, you need to check the conversion rate with your external data set. Okay, once you do that, then you apply the trends with the microeconomic data or microeconomic data. What is macroeconomic? What is a macroeconomy? Macro means global,
Worldwide.
yeah, worldwide, or you can say on a large scale. So when you say Myanmar GDP is a macroeconomy, yes, it's a country, right? So Myanmar's GDP is a macroeconomic factor. What is a microeconomic factor?
Maybe like for a company.
Yeah, specific to the company or industry. So maybe let's say Myanmar GDP will grow by, let's say, assume 5%. So does it mean every business in the Myanmar will grow at 5%? Some may grow at more than 5%, some may not grow at 5% also, correct? So let's say we say, what is the fastest growing business in Myanmar now?
Fastest growing. Maybe telecom.
Telecom or finance sector? How about insurance? Insurance is going to grow, it's not growing yet, but it's going to grow. So you see that if you see the global macroeconomic data, you will get to understand. So if let's say you are a e-commerce market, then where you should be thinking you want to promote your products to the person who are working in telecom, to the person who are going to work in insurance, because their jobs are going to increase, right? Their spending power will increase definitely, correct? So you can identify your potential markets for your future business. So then you can apply this microeconomic data, microeconomic for industry and your own particular company, correct? So then you can draw a forecast number with the help of past trends, and then you compare the result with your desired outcome. What is the desired outcome means? Means the one that we originally set for our vision, correct? There you can actually set up your desired goal if our trends, the one that we have established the trends and finalize the market, is it working in sync or not? Are we able to achieve our desired goal, or we are not able to achieve our desired goal? And what if you are not able to achieve your magic number? If let's say you want to grow your business to $5 million in next 5 years, and with the help of establish the trends, and then you see the whatever is market is available, you think you will not be able to reach 5 million. So what you will do? Improvise, right? Not just increase the number to show 5 million. You need to improvise and find new market, maybe, or find new products or new ways to do the same thing. So that helps you to plan your business in a realistic manner. Okay.